Number 1. Bright and distinctly 70s. This 1976 Chrysler Aspen, listed at $6,500 in Laredo, Texas, presents a vibrant snapshot of mid-decade styling. Finished in yellow with a matching yellow interior, it carries an automatic transmission and shows 35,000 miles. Air conditioning and 15 inches Kroger wheels complement its largely original presentation, reinforcing its period character. Offered with a clean blue title, it reflects careful preservation rather than modification. The Aspen represented Chrysler's entry into the compact, mid-size segment, blending comfort and approachable performance during a transitional automotive era. Number 2. Timelessly straightforward. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova 4-door sedan, offered at $8,000 in Meridian, Idaho, reflects the honest appeal of early 70s compact motoring. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it features the original inline 6 paired with a factory 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column and shows 76,523 miles with a 2-owner history. A professionally rebuilt carburetor and new tire support its strong driving condition. Cars like the Nova defined an era when simplicity, balance, and everyday usability created enduring enthusiast appeal. Number 3. Vivid and unmistakably 60s. This 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, offered at $6,000 in Louisville, Mississippi, showcases full-size styling and striking turquoise inside and out. Equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline powertrain, it reflects the broad-shouldered proportions that define mid-decade design. Reported as running and driving with no rust noted, it presents as a solid foundation with classic presence rather than modern alteration. The Galaxy line stood proudly during a golden age of bold chrome, sweeping body lines, and confident highway cruising comfort. Number 4. Bright and assertive. This 1971 Pontiac Ventura, listed at $5,000 in Raleigh, North Carolina, blends compact proportions with early 70s character. Finished in yellow with a black interior, it features an automatic transmission and shows 69,000 miles with a 2-owner history. Mechanical condition is described as strong, while cosmetic attention would further elevate its presentation. Chrome accents and traditional trim details reflect the styling cues of the period. The Ventura carried Pontiac's performance-minded image into a smaller platform, giving drivers a lively alternative within the brand's lineup. Number 5. Purposeful and unmistakably late 70s. This 1978 Chevrolet El Camino, offered at $7,000 in Rome, Georgia, blends coupe styling with pickup practicality. Finished in burgundy with a black interior, it features an automatic transmission backed by a built 350 cubic inch V8 and shows mileage as indicated. Recent front-end components, along with new tires and wheels, complement a solid body structure free of visible rust. The El Camino carved out its own niche by fusing utility and performance attitude into one distinctive package. Number 6. Authentic and well-preserved. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Classic El Camino, listed at $6,500 in Medford, Oregon, presents a true survivor from the late 70s. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it carries an automatic turbo Hydra-Matic 350 transmission behind its original small block 350 V8 and shows 125,000 miles under single ownership. The body remains straight with original patina paint and no noted rust, while the interior retains factory character. Few vehicles capture the blend of style and utility quite like the El Camino during its prime years. Number 7. Sharp-edged and classic. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino base, listed at $4,500 in Louisville, Kentucky, blends coupe styling with pickup practicality from the late 70s. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in red with a brown interior, showing 35,000 miles and a 2-owner history. The body is described as solid with minor rust spots, and various new parts are included. Though the engine is currently not running, the El Camino maintained a loyal following for its distinctive mix of passenger car comfort and open bed versatility. Number 8. spacious and dignified. This 1978 Ford LTD, listed at $5,000 in Farmville, Virginia, reflects the relaxed character of late 70s full-size sedans. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 351 engine, finished in blue, with the interior color not specified, showing 155,000 miles and supported by clean title. Described as largely original and garage-kept for much of its life, it features a very clean interior and retains its original radio alongside a replacement unit. The LTD embodied comfort-focused design and smooth highway cruising during Ford's full-size era. Number 9. Deep-toned and assertive. This 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass, listed at $6,500 in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, captures the confident stance that defined late 70s personal coupes. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in burgundy, showing 96,284 miles with a clean title. The car runs great and now features a 350 engine in place of the original, with only a minor power steering leak and ignition switch replacement noted. Additional wheels are included as part of the setup. The Cutlass became one of Oldsmobile's most recognized models, celebrated for its strong styling and adaptable performance character. Number 10. Open air and commanding. This 1981 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible, listed at $6,000 in Memphis, Tennessee, reflects the bold presence of early 80s drop-top cruisers. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 455 engine, finished in white with a blue interior, showing 100,000 miles and a one-owner history with a clean title. The car runs and features a new battery and alternator, described as solid with no rust or dents and ready for paint refinement. The Cutlass Supreme convertible stood as a stylish finale to an era when personal luxury met open-top motoring. Number 11. Commanding presence meets rugged capability in this 1979 GMC 2500 K20, listed at $7,500 in Minden, Nevada. Powered by a 454 V8 and paired with an automatic transmission, it features massive 40-inch Mickey Thompson tires and fully functional four-wheel drive. The truck runs strong, though the exhaust is cut off and it won't pass smog. Sold as is. Its long bed and solid frame make it perfect for hauling or off-road adventures, while the white exterior and gray interior maintain a classic utilitarian look. A true workhorse for enthusiasts seeking raw power and style. Number 12. Raw and rugged. This 1979 Ford F-150 FX2 pickup commands attention at $7,500 in Odessa, Texas. Powered by a 300 cubic inch inline-six paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it's built for hands-on driving. The classic black exterior wears its miles with pride, reflecting 258,000 adventures on the road. Simple, durable, and ready to roll, this truck embodies late 70s Ford workhorse spirit. Its straightforward mechanics and robust drivetrain make it a prime candidate for restoration or a dependable daily driver for those who appreciate true vintage grit. Number 13. Unassuming at first glance, this 1973 Ford GT Coupe in Havelock, North Carolina, is a hands-on build priced at $4,000. Finished in black with a blue interior, it carries an automatic transmission and a 351 Cleveland already fitted, needing timing and tuning to move forward. Many parts have been replaced, and nearly everything removed from the car is included with the sale. It is not finished and still requires commitment, but the foundation is there for someone wanting to complete a classic coupe and shape it into a reliable driver with character. Number 14. Power hums through this 1972 Chevrolet 1500 Cheyenne at $4,950 in Washington, Indiana. This long bed truck features a rebuilt 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering classic Chevy performance with minimal fuss. Its green exterior and blue interior are mostly original, complemented by mag rims that add subtle flair. The body and frame are solid for its age, making it a prime candidate for restoration or a father and son project. Drivable, dependable, and brimming with vintage charm, It's a true early 70s Chevy gem. Number 15. Classic and full of vintage truck character. This 1976 Chevrolet Camper Special is offered at $1,400 in Blanchard, Oklahoma. Finished in brown with a matching brown interior. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 350 V8. Equipped with factory power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, it reflects a well-equipped truck from its era. The vehicle has not been started in several years, making it a great opportunity for restoration or rewarding revival project. Straight for its age and rich with potential, it is ready to begin its next chapter. Number 16. Quirky and efficient. This 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit, listed at $4,477 in Armuyie, Georgia, highlights the practical charm of early diesel compact pickups. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and powered by a 1.6 L naturally aspirated diesel engine. Finished in silver with a blue interior. The truck is paid off and offered with a title, positioned as an entry-level daily driver with room for continued refinement over time. The Rabbit pickup earned appreciation for its fuel economy, lightweight design, and simple mechanical layout, traits that made it both approachable and economical to run. Number 17. Gritty and purposeful. This 1979 Ford F-150 XL pickup, listed at $6,200 in Encampment, Florida, showcases the tough character of late 70s short-wheelbase four-wheel drive trucks. It is equipped with a manual Granny 4-speed transmission and powered by a 300 inline-six. Finished in black with a blue interior showing 182,000 miles. The truck runs and shifts strong, with four-wheel drive engaging properly, power steering and brakes equipped, and rust addressed in the floors and bed. Electrical and steering concerns are noted. The F-150 of this era built its reputation on durability, torque-rich engines, and honest, work-ready design. Number 18. Dependable and work-ready. This 1985 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, listed at $4,200 in Lamar, Arkansas, reflects the straightforward durability of mid-80s 3/4 ton pickups. It is equipped with an automatic turbo Hydra-Matic 400 transmission and powered by a 350 engine with a 4.10 rear gear. Finished in red with a matching red interior showing 74,000 miles. Described as a daily driver, it runs and drives great with good tires and no noted smoke or leaks. The C20 models became known for blending heavy-duty capability with simple, long-lasting mechanical design. Number 19. Vivid and square-bodied. This 1971 Chevrolet Silverado Cheyenne long bed, listed at $5,000 in Houston, Texas, reflects the bold styling that defined early 70s pickup design. Finished in orange with a matching orange interior, it carries an automatic transmission and currently houses a 1986 305 small block V8. The truck does not run and stands as a full project supported by a clean title under current ownership. The Cheyenne trim signaled a more upscale direction within Chevrolet's truck range during this formative era. Number 20. Rugged and purposeful. This 1960 Chevrolet Chevy Van G20, listed at $1,800 in Slough House, California, reflects the utilitarian charm of early full-size vans. It is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and powered by a 235 six-cylinder engine. Finished in blue, with the interior color not specified, showing 1,000 miles. The long bed 3/4 ton van has been stored for several years and is sold as is with a clean pink slip and current registration. The G20 stands as an enduring symbol of versatile work-haul vehicles from the dawn of the van era.